In addition to the existing Jython interpreter, TopSpin now offers a Python API. Bruker Python packages come pre-installed with every download. So what does this mean for you? Let's take a look at this in more detail. The new TopSpin Python API offers additional possibilities. An image like the one shown here can be created by using a predefined script. With just a little bit of manipulation, you can create detailed publication quality graphics and adjust their style to fit your needs. For example, this detailed graphic here only took 10 lines of script. Experts can go far beyond and enhance TopSpin's functionality. For this example, a dedicated Python script was used for an NMR titration of pyridine at 80 MHz. The Python script can provide peak picking, it can create titration curves and normalize these curves, it can estimate a KB, and finally, it can create publication quality images.